Hey guys! Yeah, we're going through the desert again. Oh well. But I was driving down the interstate and I saw this sign saying, Memorial of Perpetual Tears. And I got some pictures of it. But what it was people who have been killed by drunk drivers. Okay, and there's a whole bunch of plaques there, and I don't know, it hit me hard. Although I've never known anyone personally that's been killed by a drunk driver, it's a horrible thing. It's a horrible thing because you have no warning. You have nothing. You don't know what's coming, you know. And I'm very shocked at people that have had loved ones killed by a drunk driver have the nerve to go out and drink, and even if it's one drink, even one, and then you get in a car and drive. I don't know how you can do it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I said it or not. Maybe it's because I'm tired, but it hit me pretty hard, and I can't think of her name, but she was in the hospital. Her 2 kids were hurt, and her husband died. She's a YouTuber. I'm sorry, I don't know. I can't remember who it was. And I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Anyway, don't drink and drive. Don't even drink and drive a lawnmower, okay? Don't do it. It's not worth it. And you think, oh, nothing will happen to me. I'm in full control of myself. Yeah. Something's going to happen. So please, for the love of God and your family, don't drink and drive, okay? This is my serious video, and I hope there's not going to be too many more of them because I can't take it. So anyway, take it easy. Take it a long way home. Whoop, whoop, and take it sober. Each little marker has tears dropping down. Oh, gosh. Wow. All this is dedicated to people who have lost their lives due to a drunk driver. And I saw that. I had to stop. Yeah. It's horrible. No drinking and driving, okay? No, don't do it. Okay.